Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this industrial endoscope camera. There is no sponsorship on this. I paid out of pocket. I purchased this at Amazon. You're gonna find the link in the description of this video. So it's a very nice device, at least when I look into the specifications. And you can see here it's a pretty solid, handle. Nice, I believe it's a 5-inch screen if I remember right. Some buttons on for take a picture, power on, etc. So likely we need to connect. Let's see. Okay, from here, right? There's a top connection here. So that's where the snake portion of the device will go, right? So let's move this plastic cover, put it on the side. And this is what you get over here. Let's see. There is a user's guide, handheld industrial endoscope. The model is T52 or T53, so the same manual for one or the other. And hopefully you get some good description here of what you can do with that and so forth. Let's see here. Okay, it's talking about the operation and different languages and so forth. Okay. And comes with a little, let's see what's this here, maybe a little tip that can be inserted on the probe itself. Yep, likely to hook something. That's what it looks like, a hook, right? And a USB-C charging cable. That's pretty standard, pretty short in length, but definitely enough to charge the device. And here is the snake itself, right, where it's a semi-rigid, so this is the tip of the camera right here. The lights likely come from the side, and you can connect this tip here on the device itself, and then you just insert this through the place you're trying to observe and figure it out. It was advertised as a auto for the automotive in the industry, but it's good for anything, to see a clogged pipe or find a AC vent, what's going on inside, anything. So I'm gonna put this on the charge, and I'll have another video showing how it works. But again, very simple. Nice screen, USB connection to the snake, and just insert that in the place you are trying to observe, like a pipe or maybe inside an engine, whatever place you are trying to see, and you're gonna be able to see that here and even take pictures from the images. Okay, all right, that's a short video. Please, if you've never tuned to my channel, subscribe, click on the bell, so we're gonna have the content from new reviews and unboxing experiences that I might produce over here. This channel is I do in my spare time. I don't leave from this channel, so but I would appreciate your sponsorship in terms of being my viewers over here. Thanks again. Till next time.